Thank you for purchasing our Little Giant brand of incubators and accessories. It is our goal to produce superior products and to make the use of our products both fun and easy. This film is designed for the instructional use of the Little Giant Model 6300 automatic egg turner. The Little Giant Model 6300 automatic egg turner comes complete with 6 large egg rails, an electric motor, and a thermometer. The egg turner safely turns the eggs to prevent the yolks from settling to one side and eliminates the need to turn them by hand. It can be used in either the Model 9200 still air incubator or the Model 10200 circulated air incubator. The large egg rails are designed to accommodate up to 41 chicken or pheasant eggs and can be adapted to accommodate up to 120 quail eggs with the use of the Little Giant Model 6302 quail rails, which can be purchased separately and are described later in the film. The first step is to place the automatic egg turner inside the incubator. This must be done before adjusting the internal temperature, as the heat from the electric motor will affect the temperature reading. Make sure that you regulate the internal temperature with the automatic egg turner inside the incubator. Place the automatic egg turner inside the incubator so that it fits on all 4 corners over the wire mesh screen. Line up the power cord with the notches molded into the bottom and top of the incubator. Press cord lightly into the notch in the bottom of the incubator in order to ensure proper fit of the lid. You may now set the eggs into the automatic egg turner. Place them with the small end down. Place your hatching thermometer on top of the eggs near a viewing window. The 6300 automatic egg turner takes 4 hours to complete one cycle of side-to-side motion. 1 hour to tilt the eggs 30 degrees in one direction, 1 hour to return to center, another hour to tilt the eggs 30 degrees in the other direction, and an hour to return to center and complete the cycle. It is important never to move the egg turner's control arms manually, as this may damage the motor. Once again, line up the power cord with the notches molded into the top and bottom of the incubator. As always, Little Giant products should be used with a protected outlet. Regularly monitor the incubator's internal temperature and humidity throughout the hatching cycle. If you need to add water during the hatching cycle, first remove the lid. Then carefully move 1 or 2 eggs that sit directly above the moisture channels. You may use other eggs in the incubator as a temporary cradle. Add water to the moisture channels and then carefully replace the eggs. Repeat the process with the other moisture channels as needed. 3 days prior to hatching time, it will be necessary to discontinue use of the automatic egg turner. First, unplug the egg turner and then remove the lid from the incubator. Then, carefully lift the automatic egg turner and the eggs out of the incubator and set them gently to the side. You may then return the eggs to the incubator, placing them on the wire mesh screen. Do this gently, but as quickly as possible to ensure continuous internal egg temperature. Replace the hatching thermometer on top of the eggs near a viewing window, and then replace the lid. Now you may disassemble the Model 6300 automatic egg turner for cleaning. For this, you will need a screwdriver. You must first remove the motor. To do so, use a screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the base of the motor. Next, remove the power cord from its anchor. Then, move the connecting rod until all the rails are vertical. Lift each rail up and out of the unit. Except for the electric motor and power cord, all of these components are dishwasher safe. If hatching quail or other similarly sized poultry, you will need to replace the large egg rails with the replacement Model 6302 quail rails, which are sold separately. To install the quail rails, you must first remove the large egg rails by disassembling the egg turner as you would for cleaning. First, take each quail rail and insert the pin through the hole in the back of the base. Then slide the control arm into the notch in the front of the base. Repeat for each quail rail. Using the quail rail box to hold the rails in place, rotate each control arm 90 degrees until all the rails are in a vertical position. Then, carefully lift the connecting rod and gently snap each control arm into place. Finally, reattach the motor. Once again, use the quail rail box as weight to stabilize the egg trays. One more thing. When placing eggs on the quail rails, be sure to leave the 4 cups near the electric motor empty to ensure proper motor operation.